Hi all my beautiful women, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Once again, what's new today in Shivani's Boutique is the casual wears. It's the most budgeted casual wears today what I'm showing to you right now. It's a black color and this is a satin cotton. This fabric is so amazing. And what to say, the maintenance is very easy maintenance, and this is the top, and you have got a beautiful chiffon dupatta with a pant in this. And then I have got colors in this navy blue color, 1 and 2 colors. These are a little bit of same concepts here and there, only the colors and the patterns works changes. And you can see this is also a satin cotton with a beautiful work over there. And then this is the top, this is the dupatta, and this is the pant. I have got one more color in this, so these are the two different colors in this. And then the next design says this. These are all ikat prints. See this nice beautiful ikat prints with a small little work here and there, and with a pant. This is a mixed kota doria dupatta. This is not cotton, it's a mixed kota doria dupatta. Alright, and I've got color, one more color is this. It's a navy blue color with this dupatta, kota doria, mixed kota doria dupatta with a nice beautiful pant. And then once again this is satin cotton. Alright, see this with a little bit of works here and there, and this is a printed pant and with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. And yes, I have got one more color in this. What color is that? This is the contrast matching. See this. Alright, and then the next designs are these. All are satin cotton fabric. It is very nice, and it's very new also. The concept is very new also. You can find all embroideries in this. Alright, and you see the pant. It's a printed pant with a beautiful lovely chiffon dupatta. It's so amazing. And I've got colors in this, a maroon color with the same concept pant, and with a beautiful, see this dupatta comes this way. And once again, this is one more satin cotton with a beautiful mixed kota doria dupatta. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to you to that page. See this, and this is a different maroon color with a beautiful work all over, and with a printed pant. These are all silk pant with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. See, lovely it is. And yes, I have got color in this. Very nice bottle green color, and then navy blue color. Alright, and then comes these. This is also cotton. See this. This is a beautiful blue top with a pant, and the dupatta is this. Nowadays dupattas are so amazing. It's very lightweight, and you can go for this. Alright, I have got colors in this. This is a 1, 2, and then third color is this. All dupattas are the same concept dupattas, only the colors are different. Alright, and then comes these cotton, lovely cotton. It's a half white color. This looks like a khadi, and then with a beautiful pant, and then with a beautiful, see this, nice chiffon dupatta. See this, and then these two comes, only the neck pattern is different. See, I'll open this and show. So this comes this way. Alright, and this is for the sleeves, and then comes lovely cotton kota doria dupatta. That is the most amazing part in this cotton kota doria dupatta. It's very lightweight. And one more color is this navy blue color, and once again this cotton. I'm really taking more effort to open each and everything for you guys to understand how the feel, how the look of the fabric is. And this is the These are all really simple cottons with a low budgeted range for you guys to wear for casuals or office wears. Just like that you can go. And washing first time alone, you can give it for dry clean, and then you can regularly wash it. And this is the chiffon dupatta for this. See this nice color. This is the ulta bulta color. So for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website. Yes, click the above link which we have mentioned, which will straight away leads to that page. And this is a nice cotton fabric with a new, beautiful central panel work. How I am wearing it's the same, and then it comes with a beautiful printed pant with a beautiful dupatta. It's a nice peach color, and one more color is a pista green. Shake panada. And see this. This is also a nice printed cotton with a beautiful printed dupatta and with a pant. These are all cotton stuff, and one more color is this. See, the color combination is so good. And then comes the ash. See this lovely pieces all on, and with a beautiful contrast matching pant and chiffon dupatta. And then comes these two, or the prints are different. Only the prints are different, but concept is one and the same, with a nice central work, hand work. And then comes this pant and with a cotton dupatta. And then comes these. It's a mixed fabric. It's not cotton. It's a Seiko silk fabric. And this is really easy to wash. You can put directly into the machine also, because it's not a pure cotton. And this comes with a beautiful dupatta. And these are all the repeats which we already have in our website. You can check in our website under the heading Salwar Materials. See, these are all chanderis with a nice beautiful pant, and then with a beautiful dupatta. Alright. See this Seiko. Once again, these Seikos are really very great for maintenance. You can wash it immediately in the washing machine, especially this fabric, Seiko fabric. Remember, this cotton fabric, please go for a dry clean for the first time. And this is the dupatta part. Whatever I am showing, these are all Seikos. Alright guys, and so maintenance is very easy. See this. And this is a beautiful printed dupatta with a beautiful pant, and one more color is this. Once again, a Seiko silk cotton. And this is the top. This is the pant with a beautiful block printed dupattas. Nice, it is so pretty. It is. See these, a camel embroidery at the center. It looks really nice. See this, camel embroidery at the center, and then it comes with a beautiful silk cotton dupatta. And with a pant. Pant is the silk pant. See, this comes this way. At the center it comes here. So I have got one more color, is a nice blue color, and once again Seiko comes. See this, all are nice patterns. These Seiko silks are very easy maintenance, and it comes with a beautiful dupatta. And then comes this, it's a cotton, nice fine cotton with a beautiful hand embroideries. And then comes this pant, and then with this dupatta. See, this is half tezzer with all roses here and there. This comes in the central panel here, and then with a mixed kota area. Alright, and then comes this. I have to finish the show early, but I have to show everything whatever we have updated in our website for you guys for easy understanding. So I'm taking a lot of effort to open everything and show within 10 minutes of time. and this is the dupatta for this nice chunky work. And this comes, it's the yellow color. It's a pure, what to say, cotton. See this, cotton, and this is the same color matching with a contrast chanderi dupatta. Lovely it is. After opening, it's really good. See this, how it is. So it comes with the latkan. Then comes this. See this red color silk cotton fabric. It's called as a Seiko silk. It's very easy maintenance with a handwork on it, and it comes with a beautiful silk cotton dupatta with a pant. And then comes these, all are regular casual wears of really economical range, with a beautiful embroidery pant and with a chiffon dupatta. And then comes, these are all the ikats which I have right now. See these ikat, and this is the top, and this is the pant for this, and this is the dupatta. Alright, and then comes this half tissue. This is very nice. This is the neck pattern for this half tissue, and then with this dupatta, and the pant is this. And then this is the modal fabric. This is the top, bottom, and then pant. And once again, let's have a quick look at what we have in our website. See this, a bottle green top, a printed pant with a beautiful patchwork dupatta. These are all really lightweight dupattas. Alright, and then comes this same concept, pant, top, pant, and a beautiful khata work dupattas. And I have got colors in this, nice colors. And then comes this, see this nice cotton fabric with a nice printed pant and with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. And then my last two pieces of these, let me open this white and show. It's a full checked, it's such a lovely piece. It's a full checked top with a laria pant, and then with a beautiful chiffon dupatta. Then my last piece is this. It's a navy blue top with a printed pant and with a printed top. Alright guys, this week was really for casual and budgeted range, and next week it's going to be an exclusive range, so stay tuned. Until then, it's bye from Hema. Stay safe.